This is probably gonna take me hours, but I'm gonna try to make a glow-in-the-dark Starbucks cup. I'm putting tape on the cup so the glitter doesn't go everywhere. This is glow-in-the-dark glitter. You can get it on Amazon or Michael's. Oh my god. I'm just gonna do the whole bottle because why not? Now I'm gonna make the snow globe mixture. It's 1/3 cup Elmer's glue and 2/3 cup of water. I'm just putting it in the squeeze bottle. Now we're gonna mix this up. Okay, here we go. I think I used too much glitter and everything clumped together. It's gonna take me hours to wash this out, so I'm gonna work on another one in the meantime. I'm just hoping this one doesn't clump because it's really cute. I sealed the hole with a cabinet bumper. You can get them at Target. I heard the best way to seal it is with resin. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna pour it on top. The resin takes a day to set. Let me show you the potential this cup has. I'm gonna buy some more glitter to fix this, so I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna try to become that girl. Starting with my fridge, it's giving expiration date. I'm gonna take everything out so I can deep clean. Put most of it in the freezer because it's probably gonna take me a few hours. Pretty sure I can take the shelves out. It's really clean now. It's time to fill it back up. I got an egg container. I feel so fancy. This is so extra. Okay, in this container I'm doing strawberries and raspberries. This one will have blackberries and blueberries. This is so pretty. Am I on Pinterest? I can eat a whole bag of cherries in one day, so it's getting its own container so I can use it as a plate. And grappes. These are going on the middle shelf. I cut up some watermelon, so I'm putting it in this container. Same thing with pineapple. This one's gonna have cut up vegetables to snack on. Got this crisper container thing. I don't really know what it does, but I'm putting my greens in it. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize it was gonna take this much work to become that girl. This is just the fridge. Like, I wasn't ready. Look how aesthetically pleasing this is. Wow. Whose fridge is this? Not mine. It's that girl's. So beautiful. Now I'm gonna put the juices in separate. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. Putting the cheese and butter here. Coffee and creamer are going on this shelf. This stuff is so good, by the way. It tastes like a banana milkshake. Sauces, Capri Suns will go here because I'm addicted. Almost done. After 6 hours, this is what it looks like, and I love it so much. This is my favorite part. There's so much space. It looks like I need to go grocery shopping, but I don't. Next step, redecorating my bed. Yo, what up? Let's restock my house. And to be that girl while doing it, cute place for toilet paper. I mean, come on. Scent beads. I'm putting my fruit in a sealed container this time. You guys said it would last longer, so I'm gonna try. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Honestly, I never buy these. I just really wanted to do that. Wow. Flour. I always make the biggest mess. It's not even funny. Chunky Chips Ahoy. Microwave them for 10 seconds. Look at this masterpiece. Beautiful. Capri Sun because I'm addicted. Cucumbers and grappes. Now I'm just restocking the lemons for my lemonade bar. Toilet wand refills. That's it for now. Next, I gotta restock my beauty room and clean it because it's a mess. So excited. It's finally fall. My mom and I wait all year long just to redecorate for it together and going over today, and I thought it'd be super cute to surprise her with a fall gift basket and some Starbucks to get her in the mood. Hazel, wanna see grandma? I got us pumpkin spice lattes because that's our favorite. Here's the gift basket. I got her a gift card so she's all set on pumpkin spice lattes, bath bombs, caramel popcorn, this cute Starbucks cup, and a little toy for her puppies. Are you excited to decorate? Mm-hmm. Here's another one of my 3 a.m. purchases. Well, a few. A Honey Pot plush. Now I have Honey Boba Bear. I'm just kidding. This stuff though, like, oh, I'm spraying sour spray on my face, and then this. Really. Wait, I should have made a 3-minute video. Water bottle drying rack, and it holds straw. Okay, so like you have a cutie, right? And then you just go like this with the little ring thing, and it's just easier to open. I get really motivated at 3 a.m. so I bought a shelf. Basically, when I buy something for a video or a company sends me product for a video, instead of throwing it around my room on the floor or just random places, I will organize it on here. Here you go. I'm still trying to become that girl, and I can't be that girl without a body skincare routine, so let's plan one out. This is everything I'm going to use. First step, dry brushing. I always brush towards the heart, and this is the best for exfoliating. Next step, a body wash that has skincare ingredients in it, like collagen and vitamin B3 complex. My favorite is Olay's Collagen Body Wash. It always leaves my skin feeling super soft and hydrated, and it smells good. Body conditioner. Time for lotion. Olay now has a matching collagen body lotion that includes all the same skincare ingredients as the body wash. Since using it, my skin is visibly firmer and more radiant, and it smells amazing. There's no greasy residue, which is amazing. I just feel fresh after using it. And that's it. It's a pretty simple routine since these products already have amazing skincare ingredients in them. I'm gonna try to paint these baby pumpkins. I have all the colors for each design I'm gonna do, so yeah, wish me luck. This one's gonna be cute. Just wait. I don't have a blow dry. Okay, first one done. That one took forever to dry, so I'm gonna do the first layer on all of them first. This one's green, yellow, white. This one's tan, light purple, and another green. I couldn't help it. I finished the cow print one. Now I'm working on this one. It has stars on it. Now I'm doing this abstract smiley face one. I don't know if it's gonna look good, but it's my favorite one. Now I'm gonna work on this one. Oh yeah, I did that. Don't know how I feel about it, but think about it. I am the only one in the universe at this exact angle, at this exact moment. I'm just redoing this one. I regret doing that. Oh my gosh, don't mind that one. But the rest though, like, I would separate them and put them all around my house, but they just belong together, you know? Why I haven't posted in 2 days, it's because of these. So, bye. Yo, what up? I got 2 packages from TikTok. Oh my god. The bottom one is kind of heavy, so I'm gonna open the top one first. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna read the card. So they sent gifts and products from Latinx owned brands to show appreciation and celebration of Latinx creators. Thank you so much, TikTok. I'm gonna FaceTime my mom and be like, I got the chunk shirt, a hat, some stickers and tattoos, and then this box. Whoa. Whoa. That is really cool. This one was so good. I'm scared to open this one. I'm sorry. Remain calm, Kelly. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. Very thoughtful. I feel so supported. We have some bum bum cream, some coffee, this cute tote bag, and I cannot wait to try these hair care products. And this candle smells amazing. And we got some good chips. Thank you, TikTok. I'm late again. Let's hurry and pack my little sister's birthday gift. I do a theme every year. This one is neon and musical theater. For the first bag, I got her a Playbill puzzle, a Broadway tote bag, and some Broadway socks. In this bag, some eyeshadow palettes. I found a Playbill charm bracelet on Amazon and this Hamilton necklace. It says not throwing away my shot. Pop it and some earrings. Next bag, a yellow water bottle, this cute yellow wallet and a note because there's something inside, a yellow poppet, and her favorite gum. I thought this would be so cute to hold her jewelry. It actually goes in this bag. For the last bag, I got her one of these things. I don't know. Neon wire lights to decorate her room, pizza poppet, and some icebreakers, just random stuff, and some more random stuff. She likes to practice acting at home, so I thought props. I don't light blue for the tissue paper, and then I made this card. Now I'm gonna go get balloons. I'm back. She loved everything. Yo, what up? I'm in LA. I'm in LA. I'm here to see a mural. Honey Boba Bear is on a mural. Oh my gosh. And now I'm sitting on the literally right there. Honey Boba Bear. Oh my gosh.
She's up there somewhere. Right there. There we go. Where am I pointing? I don't know. It's up there though.
Yo, what up? I'm trying this again. This time I'm doing a Halloween theme. Putting tape around the edges so the glitter doesn't go everywhere. I'm gonna try and do a green and black ombre. So wish me luck. First layer done. Now I'm mixing green and black. I'm on the last layer. This looks so cool. I just discovered something. So if you go like this, it makes these little swirls. Oh my god. I want to seal them at the same time, so I'm working on the orange one now. I'm so excited. To seal the hole, I'm using cabinet bumpers. I have my nail lamp. Now I'm pouring UV resin on the top like that kind. It says to leave it on for 60 seconds, so I'm just gonna lay it on the top like that and kind of balance it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh yeah, dude. They're so cute. I have to be at a Halloween party in an hour, so I'm gonna make some last minute treats. 1 bag of brownie mix, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1 egg, and 1/3 of a cup of veggie oil. Mix and spray a cupcake pan with Pam. Preheat your oven to 325 and leave them in there for like 35 minutes. Yeah, don't fill them too much. They're going back in now. Grab a bowl and fill it with cream cheese frosting. Add in some green food coloring. Once you take them out of the oven, grab an ice cream scoop and press down to create a bowl shape. Mix and put it into one of these things. I forgot what they're called. Fill them with frosting. Now I'm just adding big and small pearls. Add a pretzel stick, and now you know how to make bubbling cauldron brownies. They're so cute. I also made these. So cute. Okay, here we go. Wow. It's really good. I was told Very Very Hibiscus is back, so I'm at Starbucks. Hi, can I get a Very Very Hibiscus refresher with extra berries, please? And can you make that a venti size, please? I'm so excited. I haven't had one of these in a couple of months, so yay. Here we go. Wow. Wow. It's really good. Yes. I feel like I can do anything. Trick or treater. Let's restock my mini fridge, but first I gotta clean it because I'm gonna use Scotch-Brite's Advanced Scrub Dots non-scratch scrubbers and some soap and water to give it a good deep clean. I dropped chamoy paste so it's super sticky, but look how easy it is to clean. And then use the other side and it's gone. Literally like what? Next I'm using Scotch-Brite's one-step disinfectant and cleaner. It literally does 5 things all at once. So much better. Now let's stock it. Water, Starbucks caramel macchiato, and pomegranate juice, blackberries and pomegranate seeds, rapas, pickles, Capri Sun, and that's basically it. It's so clean. Also, if you want to try One Step and the Advanced Scrub Dots, you can find them at Amazon or Walmart. Usually I can explain. This time I can't. Here's another one of my 3 a.m. purchases. Look how cute this is. I cannot. It comes apart just like the real cup. Just like the real cup. I got 2 of the icy white sets because I'm planning a giveaway. I found this dark green gridded cup. It reminds me of grass. Okay, I'm just gonna go quick. I had to get 2 just in case one broke. Everyone's calling this one the jeweled cup. I got it in peach and dark green. Pink and black and green water bottle. Dark green stainless steel. This is a color changing cup. I'm not sure what color it changes into, but Both of them. Couldn't find this one in a venti, so I went with Grande. Stainless steel one, as you turn it, it changes colors. Same with this one and the straw. Try not to get Grandes, but this one reminded me of candy cane. Never seen one like this before. This one is a mixture of those two put together. What? Running out of time. Those two. Looks bad in a mess, but it's a sorted mess. So this is my pile, which is probably really bad, but this is for gifts and some giveaways I'm planning. Yo, what up? I'm still trying to become that girl, and I can't be that girl without an aesthetic Spotify playlist, so I made one. Hyper-specific playlist check. It is called When I Randomly Want to Become That Girl at 3 a.m. A lot of these songs are aesthetic and motivating, but we have the occasional, because it's 3 a.m. For example, we have Breadwinner next to I Am, next to Flashing Lights, next to Good For You. Imagine cleaning your room to Happier Than Ever, and then you hear Fast Car, and then all of a sudden you're writing in your bullet journal. That is 3 a.m. energy. I kind of want to make more of these, but I need ideas, so comment below your hyper-specific playlist that you've made or you think I should make. Yo, what up? I'm gonna try to make an aesthetic hot chocolate bar. Just not understanding how I love how it's 11 at night now. First, I'm putting up LED lights. They make everything look good. I'm gonna use this laptop stand. Now I'm gonna fill the pop jars. First one's gonna have these cute marshmallow toppers. They melt into your hot chocolate. It's so good. Snowman ones too. Next, hot chocolate stirs. I didn't even know this was a thing. Also got them in spoon form. Hot chocolate bombs. I'm trying to make a back and forth pattern so it looks better. And these, not sure what they are, but they're really good. These are going in the back. I found Starbucks hot chocolate powder at Home Goods. Yes! And I'm gonna put them in these jars. I don't have a funnel, so I'm hoping that this works. I'm using a white chalk marker to label them. Toffee bits, crushed candy cane, and more marshmallow. What do we think? I just made it. This was a 3 a.m. purchase, but they'll be on my Amazon page. I'm adding this thing I made and some cow straws, you know. Oh, why do I feel like crying right now? But it's just a hot chocolate bar. It's so cute. I'm gonna try to make an aesthetic wreath, or just a wreath. What is this even called? I don't even, anyway, so first I need to figure out how to get it on, like, stuck onto here. Just finished tying the garland around the middle part. Now I need to do the outside. Now I'm gonna spray it with fake snow. I'm actually gonna put the pine cones on first. Okay, just trust the process. Now I'm gonna put the ornaments on. I went with gray, clear and gray. Bought a bunch of hooks for nothing. It's so much easier to just tie them onto the pine needle thing. Okay, let's hang it up. It's not even for my front door. It is for my room. Oh my gosh, I love it. So you walk in, bam, like, I'm still trying to become that girl, and I can't be that girl without an aesthetic mirror, so I'm gonna paint mine. First, I'm taping it. It's supposed to look like a portal, so I'm doing 3 sections. First section will be pale blue. It's not going back now. Okay, that's cute. That's actually cute. Wait, yeah, next dark blue. I'm gonna try to aesthetically paint this for you guys. It's not working out. I give up. No, I don't. Now I'm peeling the tape off. I don't think I did this right. It's peeling off because I didn't prep it right. What about a nice ombre? I'm gonna peel all the paint off and try this again. Maybe not the same design. Can't wait to see you in part 2. And yes, it is 3 a.m. Here's another one of my 3 a.m. purchases. Literally just wearing them on my feet. These flower things, but I don't think you understand. They go in your vents, so now my car is cute and stuff. Cow print pillow covers. These bins for like skincare, they're so small and I thought they were cute, you know? I finally got a sunset lamp. Expect this to be in every single video I do for the rest of my life, thank you. So everything I just showed you is on my Amazon page under 3 a.m. purchases. Also, update on the mirror. There is no update. I bought clay though. I'll see you in part. This is the aftermath of a Thanksgiving dinner. It's time for a reset. I'm gonna start by cleaning and organizing my kitchen. Everything is off my counters and now I can deep clean. I'm going in with Scotch-Brite's one-step disinfectant and cleaner. This is literally all I use to clean now because it's so convenient. It's a 5-in-1 solution that cleans, disinfects, sanitizes, deodorizes, and degreases all in just this one bottle. I wish you could feel my counters right now because... Hear me out, okay? I can either do dishes now or pretend they don't exist for the next few weeks. Fine, I like to use Scotch-Brite's Advanced Scrub Dots Non-Scratch Scrubbers because they have 3 times the scrubbing power. I also use it to clean in and around my sink, but I love how it rinses clean without trapping any mess inside the sponge, and it resists odors, and it's cute. Now I'm gonna put everything back and add some cute decorations. Okay, yes, it's giving. Also, if you want to try Scotch-Brite's One Step or the Advanced Scrub Dots, you can find them on my Amazon page or at Walmart.